Another day, another story. Hello, welcome to Muhammad Amir, your official YouTube channel. Today's vlog about Scandinavia countries. The northern region of Europe is one of the most beautiful part of the world. We will explore this region within the short eye. Introduction. Welcome to this visual documentary on Scandinavia, a region in northern Europe consisting of 5 countries: Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland. Scandinavia is known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and unique cultures. In this video, we will explore the history, facts, specialties, and the role of Scandinavia in the modern age. We will also take a look at some of the famous sites that attract tourists from all over the world. Denmark. We begin our journey in Denmark, the southernmost country in Scandinavia. Denmark is a country steeped in history and is home to numerous famous sites. We start with Tivoli Gardens, a famous amusement park located in the heart of Copenhagen. It is one of the oldest amusement parks in the world and attracts millions of visitors every year. We then visit the Little Mermaid statue, which is based on the fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen and is located in Copenhagen Harbour. We also explore the Viking Ship Museum, which is located in Roskilde and features well-preserved Viking ships. Norway. Next, we travel to Norway, a country known for its stunning fjords and natural landscapes. We begin with the fjords, a series of narrow inlets of water surrounded by steep cliffs and are some of the most stunning natural landscapes in the world. We then visit the Viking Ship Museum, which is located in Oslo and features a collection of Viking ships and artifacts. Finally, we take a ride on the Flam Railway, one of the world's steepest railway lines, offering breathtaking views of the Norwegian fjords. Sweden. Our next stop is Sweden, a country known for its unique culture and history. We start with the Vasa Museum, which is located in Stockholm and features the well-preserved Vasa ship, a 17th-century warship that sank on its maiden voyage. We then visit the ABBA Museum, which is located in Stockholm and celebrates the music and legacy of the popular Swedish band. Finally, we explore the Ice Hotel, which is located in Jukkasjärvi and is a hotel made entirely out of ice and snow. Finland. Moving on, we travel to Finland, a country known for its stunning natural landscapes and unique culture. We begin with the Santa Claus Village, which is located in Rovaniemi and features Santa's workshop, reindeer rides, and other winter activities. We then visit the Helsinki Cathedral, a stunning example of neoclassical architecture located in Helsinki's Senate Square. Finally, we explore the Finnish Lakeland, a region of thousands of lakes and forests that offer a peaceful and relaxing retreat. Iceland. Our final stop is Iceland, a country known for its unique landscapes and natural wonders. We begin with the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa located in a lava field and known for its healing and rejuvenating properties. We then explore the Golden Circle, a popular tourist route that features several stunning natural sights, including the Geysir Hot Springs and the Gullfoss Waterfall. Finally, we visit the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, a stunning glacial lake filled with icebergs that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Scandinavia is a region filled with unique cultures, rich history, and stunning natural landscapes. From Denmark to Iceland, each country has its own distinct character and charm. We hope you enjoyed this visual documentary and gained a better understanding of Scandinavia's history, facts, specialties, and role in the modern age. Thank you for watching.